What's in the news, Chunky? Benjamin Netanyahu must be stopped. War is the Prime Minister's doctrine. Israeli strikes on Iran, falsely described as preemptive, are the latest example. I keep hearing people calling him Satanyahu, genocidal, mad dog, insane, warmongering. And yeah, we support him. The British support him, the Americans support him. Says here, committing genocide, Satanyahu committing genocide in Gaza, annexing the West Bank, occupying Lebanon, bombs neighbours at will, has nuclear weapons, bombs Iran, killing civilian. The world does nothing. Iran retaliates. Israel, the world must not be silent. Britain, America, Germany, Canada, France, we must condemn Iran. Where are we at? How is this? It says here as well, why is Israel put West Bank, they put West Bank under lockdown as it bombs Iran. They shut down the West Bank. They put gates and there's a smell of death in the air. We're on the brink of World War III. We're talking about nuclear bombs. They set off Israel warns of fresh waves of missiles. Where? What? Trump vetoed Israel's plan to kill Iran's supreme leader. President Donald Trump vetoed. Have the Iranians killed an American yet? No. Until they do, we're not even talking about going after the political leadership, said one of the sources, a senior. We're on the brink of World War III. World War III. And Britain and America are standing face to face, beside what they're calling him, Satanyahu. Iran launches fresh airstrikes on Israel after military figures killed. Israel set off car bombs in Tehran. It's like a reign of terror. But what's it say here? G7 is a big moment. They're having a G7 meeting. How's this going to end? How are we supporting? How are we supporting Benjamin? How are we supporting Israel bombing Iran? They're saying Iran hasn't done anything, invaded anyone for 1,000 years or whatever. Bombed it. It's Monday fucking morning. It's the start of summer. Gaza's been wiped off the map. Gaza is they're starving people. It's a genocide, which we supported. Keir Starmer's sending F-35s. How can you wake up? How do we wake up every day to this? It's they're going to blow up the planet. They will literally blow up the planet. And we support it. All we are saying is give peace a chance. Fucking hippie liberal. Do you not like the war? War. What is it good for? It's the war machine. About money, banks, arms, profit. Genocide is big business. Big, big, big business. There's a lot of money in genocide. Donald Trump, Keir Starmer, and then you just have like normal people, civilians dead, children dead, babies dead, men, women, children dead, war, the horror, genocidal, and they say, yeah, we support that. It's fucking Monday morning. The sun's just come up. Another bloody day on Earth.